All right, so this is my 4th hotel in 7 days. I didn't record the last 2. Sorry, they were my transfer hotels. So after the Ritz-Carlton, I stayed at the loft in San Juan. And then last night, I wasn't actually supposed to stay in another hotel. I was supposed to have a red-eye flight, so I could just go straight to my hotel currently. And I was like, I'm so bad at red eyes. I was like, I'm not doing that to myself. So I ended up just getting an earlier flight. And then I stayed next door to the courtyard. I used one of my upgrades because I'm a platinum elite for my area. And oh my God, this room is so nice. I mean, it's not the Ritz-Carlton nice, but it's you know, because there's no water, but it's beautiful. Let me show y'all the room. So here's the entrance, the bathroom. Ooh, look at the square toilet. Why is it, what the heck? I've never had a square toilet before. That's cool. Shower. Okay, so that's the bathroom. Here's the room. I was literally, my jaw dropped. I was like, what the hell? Look at this. Kitchen, suite, corner. What view do we got? City of Irvine. Damn. Bougie living. We're just bougie living now. Yeah, I got this free upgrade, so I didn't pay for this because my status, but this kitchen is so nice. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to buy bottles of wine and have a friend come over. Ooh, creamy. Very funky. Nice spice. It's a warm spice. I'll try some of these noodles. The noodles hold the soup very well. That's really good. Actually, it's pretty good spice. Heating up. I'll try this ghost pepper kimchi. Pickled really well. It's gonna be hot. So yeah. That's cooked nicely. Nice soft boil. The pork was a little dry. It was good taste. Oh no, that's... Tastes like... It broke up so nicely. It kind of reminded me of salmon. Holy shit. It's so tender and so juicy. And it flaked off perfectly. And has a nice crunch to it. Don't be fooled by looks. I think because the ramen's really hot, I can't tell how spicy this actually is.
A few moments later.
I'm sweating. I'm definitely warm. The mouth heat wasn't that much, but like my entire body is like warm. The worst at eating ramen. I always do this. God damn it. Damn it. All right. So they have a robe, and this robe is so soft. I will say this robe is probably even more comfortable than the Ritz-Carlton one, which I think is crazy. And then they had comfy slippers. Let me show you my slippers. Look at it. They're like soft. I will say that at the Ritz-Carlton, when I first got there, like they had a robe, like one robe and like slippers for me. And then like the slippers were kind of big. They were probably like a size 7 or size 8. So that's cool, like house slippers. And then like the next time I came back, like I came there during the day and then I came back at night, they actually changed my slippers. And I think they paid attention to what my shoes were that were in the closet. And it fit me exactly, it was 6. So I was like, oh, nice detail there, Ritz-Carlton, nice detail. But yeah, so now I'm just lounging around, resting up before I get ready for dinner and meet some friends.
Come with me to the Hello Kitty Cafe during the day.
Hello Kitty.
Fresh donuts. Aesthetic AF. Seasonal lemon flavor. Come back for part 2 of Hello Kitty Cafe at night. This drink was sweet. Hello Kitty Cafe at night 21 plus. Same desserts from a menu. Best drink. The drink.
So the reason I was actually in Irvine was to help support the Bandai Namco Welcome to the Pac-Man at Irvine Spectrum. And I actually posted this video a couple months back, so you could check it out on my YouTube channel. I'll link it here. But here's a quick preview. And thank you all so much for watching. The next video will be my set from Vegas. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and check it out. All right, later, y'alls.